Well, welcome back to my reviews, and today I've got a French Dinky toy. It's a flat truck with a container on the back. Truck is a Berliet. And it's from 1959 to 1965. It was in the Dinky series. I like this style cab. It's the only one I've got of this one. Pretty decent shape. Dinky Toys, Berliet, Meccano. Made in France. The spare underneath there. Trailer hitch. Light gray flat deck. Black fenders. Got a light cast in on each top of the fender. Silver painted grille. Cast hubs. Very attractive little truck. And a dark gray container with a lifting door, and there's an eye hook there. Dinky Toys container, made in France, Meccano. Pretty well keep anything in there, I guess. Anything that would fit. I like these European trucks. They're got a neat styling to them. Nice panel lines, the doors and things, the grille. Oh, that's a battery container there. You can see a tail light picked out. Fuel tank. Like I say, I don't know what was kept in this container or what was supposed to be kept in it, but anything that'll fit it in, I guess, could go in there. Still a neat truck and a really nice casting, typical for French Dinky Toys. Well, I hope you enjoyed my short video on this French Dinky toy. Number 580, Berliet flat truck and container from about 1958-59. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.